Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today our topic is right against exploitation. Article 23 and 24. Dear students, as you know, we are discussing the fundamental rights, and one fundamental right, that is right against exploitation. Let me discuss today Article 23 and 24 of Part 3 of Indian Constitution provides protection against exploitation to every citizen of India. This includes prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. Article 23 provides that traffic in human beings and beggar, forced labor, and similar other forms of forced labor are prohibited in India according to this article of Indian Constitution. Number 2, prohibition of employment of children. Article 24, it prohibits the employment of children below the age of 14 in any factory or other hazardous employment. Dear students, these are the two articles which deal with the right against exploitation and thus provide protection to every citizen of India. Now there are some other articles which relate to the right to freedom of religion. These articles are Article 25 to 28, 4 articles. Firstly, the Article 25 provides freedom of conscience and freedom to profess, practice and propagate religion. Article 26, freedom to manage religious affairs. Any sort of religious affairs within the territory of India, a citizen or an individual is free to manage religious affairs. Article 27, freedom for paying taxes for promotion of any particular religion. Article 28, freedom to attend religious functions. So these 4 articles deal with the right to freedom of religion, and these articles provide protection religious management affairs and propagation of religion or profess of practice, etc., and to attend religious functions. That means a citizen in India is free to opt to choose his religion according to Article 25 to 28. This was today's topic. I feel that this is informative for you. That is all. Okay.